Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate units in 5 Nights TD. It's important to understand that this method is not officially supported and is often considered an exploit. While it can provide a significant advantage by giving you multiple copies of powerful units, there are serious risks involved, including the possibility of your account being banned. We'll cover the known methods, but proceed with caution. One reported method for unit duplication involves a specific trade exploit. First, you need to initiate a trade with another player in the game. As soon as the trade begins processing, the other player involved in the trade must immediately leave the server. If executed correctly, this action has been observed to sometimes duplicate the unit for the player who initiated the trade. This method relies on a timing glitch within the game's trading system. 2. Beyond the trade exploit, some players have reportedly utilized external script dupe methods to achieve unit duplication. These methods typically involve using third-party software or scripts, which are strictly against the game's terms of service. It's crucial to be aware that employing such scripts or any form of unauthorized exploit can result in severe consequences, including the permanent suspension of your game account. Always prioritize fair play to avoid these risks. 1-2-11. While the allure of duplicating units might be strong, it's important to consider the impact on the game's integrity and the community. Exploiting glitches can disrupt fair play and diminish the experience for everyone. Instead, focus on legitimate methods to expand your unit collection, such as summoning new units, engaging in fair trades, or earning them through dedicated gameplay. Enjoy the challenge and satisfaction of progressing through the game as intended. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.